So today was a busy day actually. I started to check what is the problem with the engine, and then it ended up being that I decided to pull it out because simply like this hole is not what you would want to find in your engine. So I'm not sure exactly what happened, but it seems like that the connecting rod for a piston is broken, and then it actually destroyed the engine. I will have to investigate a little bit more of what actually happened to maybe establish some theories. But in the end, I simply decided to pull it out because, like, there's no way that is going to be fixed, so I will have to change the engine. So the best idea was just to pull it out, and then I will have the opportunity to look into what is there and also look for another engine, the one that I would be able to exchange it with. So I'm not that happy with what I found. I hoped that it would be something simpler, but then again, this is the most common problem I would say with these engines, with the M3 engines, the S65s, the same as the M5 engines, V10s, that the connecting rod bearings fail, and then basically it totals the engine. So this is a good example of that. You can see how nice it looks inside, and yeah, so looking forward actually when I have a little bit more time to uh, disassemble it a little bit more, and now I will start actually looking for another engine. So this is how it looks, how the engine bay looks. Actually, it was not that hard to take the engine out, considering that I had totally no support, and it took me only around, I would say, 3 to 4 hours to get the engine out in my garage, where I have no lifters and only basic tools. So I would say, from the engineering wise perspective, BMW surely did a very good job of actually making it very easy to work on. Yeah, that's it for today. I'm done also for today, and I will go home and make this video.